Okay, so we're back in Iron Cat for the third time, and I think we will complete this first location in this video. So yeah. Turn up the radio. So the radio is just over here. You don't have to you don't have to actually hold it to turn it, because that makes you just like lift it up. You just have to put your paw on it and then just kind of push it. Oh. Toaster bread in the toaster. Toast a bread. So you have to I think you have to put it in twice for it to be done, because this will show when it's done. It will turn like a greeny colour when it's done. Oh my god. What just happened? What? I just... What was that? Where's my bread gone? Get off. Okay. I don't know what that was, but we'll just have to do that again, okay. Okay, so manual's done after 2 times, but each time you want to redo it, you have to turn the timer. But, okay. What was that? I just jumped and then it went crazy. Cut up a tomato. So to open this freezer, you have to go down here and then there's it says fridge, but it's the tomato. Okay. The knives are over here. You don't have to use a particular one. Turn on all the burners on the hob. So you have to first put these all the way down to the bottom. Whoa. Make sure they're all the way at the bottom. And press that button. Oh, that one's not on. If that happens, just push them. Or just there we go. Keep pressing it and just do whatever. Okay. Fry some potatoes in a skillet. What's that? I think it means pan. So put the pan on here. And then potato. Get a potato. And yeah, I think you can just... Yeah, I didn't know if you had to cut it. Couldn't remember. Yeah, okay. Oh god, okay. Reheat the frozen chicken in the microwave. So frozen chicken is in the fridge. On the top shelf. Get a chicken. Wow, okay. Door. Oh. We'll put it on just for as long as it wants. I think we'll need to do it again. Ooh, sausage. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, it's good. Okay. Where's that cook anyway? Eat a cucumber. So to eat things, I didn't know this the first time I played this, but to eat things you can't just grab it and put it up to your mouth, otherwise it will just make you grab it. You have to go over and get a knife and cut it first. Like that, and just eat one bit. Eat some fried chicken. So we'll get that chicken. Whoa, get a knife. I didn't know where to cook chicken, but okay. Turn on the kitchen tap. There we go. pour water into a mug in the kitchen. Let's get one of these. Yeah. And before we answer that, I just want to... Actually, no, answer it first. Now I see that you're not just a cool cat, you're also a chef. The last thing I wanted to know about you is how smart you are. Here's some tasking. So this is the last thing, so this will be the last set of tasks. And then we have completed this whole location. But before that, I do just want to go up there and have a look if I can get anything else. Because I look good at the minute, but still, I want more. Okay, right. Watches. Oh, all these you have to buy with real money. Fur. To buy all them with real money, really. Really got a hat and glasses. Claws. Basically, all of these you have to buy with real money. That's not very good. But I do have enough of these gold claws. Hello. Oh, there they are. They're cool. Okay. Eyes. Ooh, have a couple of options. Oh, I want them, but you have to get them with real money. Oh my god, they're better than them. Oh my god, wait. Hello? Oh, look at my eyes. Oh my god, even my whiskers have changed. Oh my god, my eyes are just best. Okay, anyway. Okay, so it's time to do the next set of tasks. Find a toy car. Oh, okay. Ooh. I can't climb up them. Okay. Toy car, so can't remember. Oh, there it is. I can't remember if it was up there. Toy car's just over here. Once you've found it, tap it. Log on to Grandma's computer. So Grandma's computer is down here, but hang on. It's like over there. Okay. So if you go onto it, you have to put in a password. So the password, I can never remember, even though I've played this quite a few times. You have to go up here. 0426. Okay. 0, 4, 2, 6. There we go. Use smart cubes to make a target word. Oopsies. Okay, anyway. Use smart cubes to make a target word. So 3 smart cubes are here. Over here. Oh, there it is. Okay. And here. So these 3 should spell a word. So this is T, this is C, so that goes at the start. And then this is obviously A. Like that. There. Find the flash drive. So the flash drive is where I thought the car was. That's where I thought the car was up there, because I've always just memorised. There. Oh, you don't have to do anything with it. Remember you had a piggy bank, listen to what's inside of it. Oh, sorry, I gotta go. The piggy bank. I didn't... I think it was the last video, maybe? That we had to smash the piggy bank. And I don't want to show you it in much detail, because basically it has something in it. So if you smash it, you see that silver thing, because they're all gold coins. But you see this silver thing? Oh god, I forgot about her. Oh my god, help. Okay. It's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. So you see this gold thing? It has a key on it. So if I get that and head upstairs. Okay, then if we go up here, just up the tallest bit, there's this thing here. So you get the silver thing, put it in, and look. So there's loads of money, but I don't really know what that does. And here is the key. So if you get that and then go downstairs. Oh, of course that happened now. Of course it did. Hello? Oh, please glitch. Oh, of course. Now it doesn't glitch. Of course, when I want it to glitch, it doesn't glitch. When I don't want it to glitch, it glitches. Go over here, grab the key, put it in. Ta-da! Okay, so that's it for the video today. I don't know if this was I think this was a slightly shorter one. But yeah, we've done it now. In the next video, I'm going to take a break from Iron Cat maybe for just one video while I do a video on Gorilla Tag and show you some fun locations that I like. But after that, we'll come back to Iron Cat and continue with the story. So yeah, bye!